David Zurab here at Boss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Can-Am Spyder F3T Limited. This is a new unit, just came in actually. It has very low mileage. It's about 2,000 kilometers. So it takes a little time to wake up. It has a heated grips, cruise control, the radio controls. Here is the USB and auxiliary connectors. I'm trying to, here we go. Side saddlebags. The backrest is your OEM. It's extra. It does not come with it, but yes, it did not come with it, but now it comes with it. Chrome wheels. It's mint. It's just perfect. There's the cruise control over here. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.